Good morning, children. We are discussing the first lesson in 6th class, Social Studies. Now, our Earth in the solar system. Our Earth in the solar system. So, here the Earth. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. What about the size of the Earth? Fifth, it occupies fifth place in that size among all planets. So third planet, and also size is fifth place occupied. Next one, it looks like geoids. That means Earth-like shape. What it is? Earth-like shapes. That is about Earth. Next one, this Earth has only one natural satellite, that is Moon. What is the natural satellite of the Earth? Moon. So this Moon size is just 2/3 of the Earth. 2/3 of the Earth. Next one, what about Earth? This Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. So Earth occupied 2/3 of the water. That is why it is called blue planet. What it is called? Blue planet. So only in the solar system, only life is possible only on Earth. Only on Earth. Next one, in the Earth, 4 major components are there. 4 major components. What are the 4 major components? They are called realms. They are called realms. First one is lithosphere. In the Earth, 4 realms are there. First one is lithosphere. Second one is hydrosphere. Third one is atmosphere. Fourth one is biosphere. So lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So these 4 realms are there upon the Earth. Now I want to explain to you about each one. First one, lithosphere. Lithosphere means solid outer layer of the Earth. That means land, rocks and soil. It consists of land, rocks and soil. What sphere? Lithosphere. What it is? Lithosphere. So this is the first layer. Upon the Earth's surface we can find rocks, soil, etc. So that part is called lithosphere. Second one is hydrosphere. Second one is hydrosphere. So here hydrosphere means all water bodies on the Earth. Upon the water bodies, all water bodies upon the Earth. Where we can see the water upon the Earth? In oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ice caps on the mountain areas, ice caps on the mountain areas. For example, our India, north part of our India, what we can find? Himalayas. What we can find? Himalayas. That Himalayas covered on with ice. That means. Next one, tanks. Tanks means cheruvulu. Okay. So these all water bodies consisted of hydrosphere upon the Earth. Hydrosphere upon the Earth. So I said about lithosphere. So lithosphere consists of land. That means rocks, soil, etc. Hydrosphere consists of oceans, river, lakes, tanks, ice cap, on mountains and చెరువులు. Okay. Next, third one is the third layer or third realm is upon the earth, atmosphere. What it is? Atmosphere. So air here upon the earth's surface up to, if you go upward some kilometers, the air surrounded upon the earth. So that is why several gases are there in the atmosphere. Several gases are there. What are that gases? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon and ozone. So these are the gases consisted in the atmosphere. What is the percentage of nitrogen? 78% occupied in the atmosphere, only nitrogen. Next comes oxygen. It occupies 21%. Next to carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon, ozone. These also occupied. So that is about atmosphere. Fourth one is, our fourth realm is biosphere. So here biosphere means all living things. All living things. So we also human being, plants, creatures, animals, water body animals and fish, etc. So insects, birds, all human beings, all living things are there in this layer that is called biosphere. What it is called? Biosphere. Next one, this is about the earth. Next one is here satellites. What are they? Satellites. Now students listen. In the solar system, sun is the first one. After planets. After, so I said about the planets. One of the planet is our earth. So I said about earth. How many realms are there? What is the speciality of this one? How many layers are there? Etc. So next one, satellites. Satellites are planets have satellites. For example, I said Earth has one natural satellite, that is called moon. That is called moon. These satellites are moves around the planets. These satellites are around the planets. But here, among 8 satellites, only 2 do not have any satellite. What are they? Mercury and Venus. Mercury and Venus. These 2 have no satellites. These 2 have no satellites. Remaining all have satellites. Example, Earth, Moon, like that. But Mercury and Venus, no satellites. Next one, the Moon. So we know the Moon is the satellite of Earth. The size is only 1/4. What is the distance from Earth to Moon? What is the distance from Earth to Moon? Actually, Earth is moving around the Sun. Earth is moving around the Sun. It is revolving like this and moving around the Sun. Moon, it is the satellite of the Earth. So this Moon also moving around the Earth. Satellites are moving around the planets. So here Moon is moving around the Sun. So it is far away from Earth. How many kilometers far away? 3,84,400 kilometers. How many? 3,84,400 kilometers. Okay. It takes one completion around the Sun 27 days. How many days? 27 days. So upon the moon we cannot see any life. So life is not possible upon the moon. So no plants, no human being, no creatures, birds, etc. Okay, but we can see on the moon many mountains, plateaus, valleys, etc. So how can we know these all things upon the moon? So for the first time, one man set his foot on moon. Who that man? Neil Armstrong. That man was Neil Armstrong. When he entered or when he set his foot on moon on 21st July 1969. In 1969, Neil Armstrong set his foot on moon. That is why we know about the moon, what are there upon the moon. So life is not there, that means human being, creatures, animals, plants, they are not there, but mountains, plateaus, valleys are there. So that is about moon. Next one, man-made satellites. What that? Man-made satellites. I said satellites are moving around the planets, like planets are moving around the sun. Okay, but here man-made satellites means scientists are made these satellites. Scientists made, so they are the artificial satellites. Artificial satellites. So before I want to explain these man-made satellites, okay, I want to show you some pictures in your textbook. Let me complete this example. INSAT, IRS, EduSat. What are they? INSAT, IRS, EduSat. So these are the man-made satellites. They are helping to the mankind. They are helping to the mankind. Now remaining in the solar system, asteroids are there, meteoroids are there, comets are there. Okay, asteroids, meteoroids, comets are there. So solar system is in the galaxy. Many galaxies are there. Where? In the universe. So now let me show you. Now students, listen. Look at your textbook, page number 6. Page number 6. This is the earth. What it is? This is the earth. Now look at. 2/3 covered by water. Okay. Next listen boys. I said 4 realms: lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, etc. Next I said about moon. So look at, this is the moon, page number 8. This is the moon. This is the moon. Now listen, here one asteroid. I'll tell you about asteroids, comets, etc. in the upcoming lesson, upcoming period. Okay, thank you. So these are the satellites. Once again, look this. Okay, thank you.